Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about try and except. So let's just jump right into it. So let's see, we've talked about things that crash. So value error, this is what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to take in, because the stuff we've been doing is we're programming it and we're inputting the information as well. Well, when you write a program, you send it out, and other people who are maybe not as experienced or aren't paying attention or miss a field. You know how you enter on a web page and you get an error and you get a throwback. Well, this right here catches it. So whenever you have a problem or you are concerned about a potential crash, you put it in a try. And let's do this because we want to just try this over and over again. Let's create a little variable, false. Then while not still, let's put this back here. So alright, let's put this down so you can see. So alright, I did this because we're going to take in a number, we're going to use an input, then we're going to convert it because our input automatically defaults to a string. So I did this so we could see the value error. So if we were to try to take in a number, because this is what we do, and we'd take in a number here as a string, converts it to 1. But if somebody accidentally misunderstood the field and they typed in a letter, you'd get a value error, your whole program would crash. But if you put it in this try loop, num int input enter number, and then we give a little space, close it, there we go. So now we want to multiply this num by, let's just say 2. Not going to be fancy. So now, also the reason why I did this is you want to catch this error and only this error. There's a way to catch all, but you don't want to do that because you could accidentally catch a error that you don't understand or you didn't mean to. So you want to try the error that you want to know you want to catch, and then we will, okay, so here we want to change still to true because I want this to go through and over and over and over again to show you. But once this goes through the try loop and is successful, we're going to change it back. So now here's our other except, if I could spell, alright, and you know we spelled it right, you went orange. So here we go, value error, whoops, and also very important, capital V, capital E, and you know you did it right when it goes purple. So then whatever we want to print out, something along the lines of please enter a number. So alright, let us run this. So let's say I don't, oh, okay, please enter a number. Oh, okay, my bad, 2, and prints out 4. So here is a very, very simple error handling, a try and except, and grabbing a value error. So there we go. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we do have videos coming out every single day. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.